What Aussies sound like to other Aussies? Yeah, mate. What Aussies sound like to Americans?
Porky! Beer! Beer!
What Aussies sound like to Ireland?
That's not a potato. That's beer.
What Aussies sound like to Scotland?
That dude's wearing a skirt. Where's the beer?
What Aussies sound like to the UK?
We're convicts. Get us beer, or we'll stab ya. Ah, yeah, beer, beer, beer.
What Aussies sound like to New Zealand? Yeah, mate.
Had a root with a sheep lately, mate?
What Aussies sound like to Canada?
It's cold as shit. Where's the beer?
What Aussies sound like to non-English speakers?
Beer, 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 koala, gunny, beer, 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 beer.
What Aussies sound like in Bali? Yeah, Aussie. Where's the closest ping pong show and some bintang? Thanks, mate.
And like and subscribe or not. Who cares?